Hello everyone, this is Fad Ahmed, and today I have received another product that I'm gonna unbox and I will check how it is. So here is the packaging. This is the box. It's actually a shoe. So let's check. This is the first time I have actually purchased from them. It's not any sponsored video. There is nothing else. Let's keep it aside. And okay, so let's open it. Ta-da! Look at this. It's completely black. It's actually a Converse. There is another pair. Well, it's not the premium one, but I think I will buy the premium one in white color very soon. So here it is. I can actually smell the rubber thing. There is this smell coming from it. It's kind of rubbery. This is how it looks. Side. Let's check the sole if I can remove it. Okay, I cannot actually remove it. It's kind of sticked to the bottom. Let's try to go over that thing. So let me show you my older one. That was from Bata actually. I bought that like 2 or 3 years ago and I am using that till this day. So this is it. I know it's very dirty because I have wear it today and the color has faded a bit. Also, as I said, that I have been using it over 3 years maybe. This was from Bata North Star range, the series actually. So now this black one. I have also, oh my god, look at the dirt. So I have another one in green color. I'm not going to show you that because I already messed things up here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just try it on my legs right now and show you. So, let's just try it. Also, this is the first time I'm actually wearing a Converse with a high neck. Okay, before I have used 3 of them, 2 of them from Bata and 1 of them from Lotto, but they actually had low neck. Okay. This is how I actually done it. Let me know how actually they will appear on my legs. Still there. So much work. I'm already tired. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me know how I look. They're very comfortable anyway. So yeah. Ta-da! Thank you for watching.